to say this is a song about the greatest heartache I have ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On a street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained and tear stained was a pain that made me cold and numb. After the ocean that cried, I made of steel, just looking out my eyes. When I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let it go now. I just see it goes down, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to go on just slowly. Somebody let me once, someday somebody will again, like the way love me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made a stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I loved you. It was right early June next to Old Park Avenue. Standing in the rain, I watched him walk away. Yeah. Took me long, hard years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But in the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was, and I sigh when I drive down this road. I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. But just see it goes down, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to go on just somebody let me once, someday somebody will again, like the way love me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made a stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I love you. It was right early June next to Old Park Avenue. Standing in the rain, I watched him walk away. I've dabbled in love since, maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon'